Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. We have EJ. EJ, how are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good. 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates. How did you see the game?
That game was amazing, hey. But I do think we could have had better opportunities if we just hit the ball. I don't know why we have to play Mara tiki-taka in the box. If we can just shoot that thing, we could have won that thing like 6-7-0.
Because they deserved it, ne?
Yeah, we deserved it. Chiefs were sleeping today.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I'm a Buccaneer, right? But I was working the entire time. I'm just here to tell you all that I'm very happy, very proud to be a Buccaneer. That's all. Thank you.
We're very proud to be a Buccaneer. Do you think Buccaneers stand a chance to win this league?
I generally think they do stand a chance. Remember my team is very great. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
I know we messed up with the past 2 games, but let's think about the other games that we've been balling at. So it's just that maybe consistency may be a struggle to keep up all the time, but it's still the best team, and we got the league. We are coming. Let us cook.
Hayi ke namhlanje ngijabulise kakhulu. Ucoach ifanele simbonge mangabe wenza into eright ngoba last besikhala ngaye. Namhlanje ubuyisila lapha esiyazi weBhakania. So siyabonga coach for ukumamela abalandeli. Ukuthi wenza izinto eziright nathi siphume e-stadium sijabulile. Azelanga e-stadium kuzokhala. Ngibonge nabafana baphakamisile amasokisi ukuthi bashayele olamthuthu. Ukuthi elokishini sikhona ukuhamba kahle siphephile umsindo awukho.
No, today I'm very happy. I was questioning the lineup when I saw Usibelebele, but today no. Today he put in a performance, he put in a shift, so I'm happy. I'm happy. And the inclusion of Mbata, I was happy with Mbata. I don't understand why coach always has to take him out after 60 minutes, always. But I was happy with the team today, no complaints.
Coming from Umbata, it's bona uthi Umbata no Makaula. What do you think about their combination?
The combination is very good, man. Because when those two are not playing, we can't control the game. Like we are rushing things. You saw towards the end of first half, Umbata, I control the tempo of your game. So what Umbata will let you control. I understand Masfagu Masindi wanna attack, but we also need to control and slow down the game sometimes. So yeah, I'm happy when Bata plays. I'm a talent our fan.
It's a Pirates interview. No, it's football interview.
Pirates.
Do you think the Pirates was so good or Kaizer Chiefs was not here?
No, listen what I'm saying is today, how can we expect us to win the game without a coach? First, we lose at CAF Confederation Cup without a coach. We're supposed to chase those fucking interpreter away sharp. Okay, games for today, ne? Let me talk about the games today. Braga, Kilitsuta, all the way from Rustenburg, the Greater Rustenburg branch, all the way from Rustenburg. What I'm saying, in my opinion, today, for the game today, I don't think Pirates was good. I don't think Pirates can win the league. My opinion, what I'm saying is Pirates, I don't think Pirates can win the league before Chiefs to win the league. If you can check the stats, Chiefs win the league before Pirates. If you can check the stats.
Yazi kini. Ay ngibatshelile phela ukuthi hayi Chiefs ngeke iphumelele yazi. The way iPirates beperforma ngakhona ne. Hayi abapolisi abo mahopa ngwana sesi yabona abadlalile shemo. So ngithi amagama i3 for Chiefs ne. Lila lantate lela mora lela moyo halelela. Amen.
Amen. Bopa!
Hawu thina besizocollect into zethu. Sundowns sidlulile ne yodlala kusasa zoba se Loftus kusasa sominya yazi sominya Sundowns ngeke indawo uthi nenkinga nathi sinozinkinga Umbatho ngenile wenza kahle Makhawula Chiefs vele la bola mthuthu but ama Chiefs ne oyazi bafana ne special need bafuna special treatment today bakali 3-0 ayikho laba abekho ba right laba bakhona ngihamba nale sandawana le ne sasa angithi yabona namhlanje ngiligibele phezulu sasa sidlula ngathi VR8.
The game was very progressive and very good. My input is that Tomo Pagania, we must give Wadu enough chance to express what he's doing on the field. If you remember very careful, in the beginning of the season, we lost 2 games in a row, of which is exactly what is happening now. We lost from Sundowns, we were out of the cup, and when we come to our 3rd game, we become very dangerous. There was no way we are going to lose 3 games in a row. We came here very prepared, knowing that Wadul going to represent us, and we are very much excited.
Do you think standard setup today Messi or ni Pirates or may good kakhulu kune Chiefs?
We're very exceptional, very just competing up. Someone might say, as Angfuni Kulubangabo to say how weak they were. But what I know is that no, we're very exceptional. And may we please keep this standard and focus more.
We game from the lineup. Ngitema ngibone lineup ye Pirates comparing to Chiefs. Ngayibona the combination ya Makaula no Mbatha. They will destroy Kaizer Chiefs because Chiefs started with one anchor man, Mabuwe, Lebokan Mabuwe. Then Ngobo already is a lazy man. He's a lazy man. Then I saw that chances of winning is big. Yes.
Hey, yabona game namhlanje. Hayi yabona mina ngigeza ubebebe mina ngoba manje yazini ucoach ukhonile ukuthola ama leasing ukuthi yazini mangabe mhlambe uyiphutha umuntu ufunde emaphutheni umuntu ufunde emaphutheni vele iPirates ngeke beze beyikhona kule scheme enaso kulama player enanga iPirates phela ithenga buy one get one free. Yes, I tell iPirates buy one get one free. I tell iPirates.
Okay, so do you think Kaizer Chiefs may ngekho iPirates was just too good today?
No, iChiefs ibingekho. iChiefs ibingekho nje totally and ibizama yona ngoba mhlawumbe idlala neteam njenge Pirates kodwa manje azi Pirates ine skills yes ine development engasuka umbanzi ayingasoze yawina futhi iChiefs idlala nePirates ngishilo ngathi mina mangasema goal of 4 kuzoba ama goal of 3 lamagoli bengabalile kodwa ayele khona shot e1
imene of the
hayi bengiqhawanthi mhlawumbe bezidlane neChippa United sengithi ngiyabona ayijezi liyelo shot bezidlane neChiefs hayi Pirates yadlala bafu.
Yeah. Do you think iPirates may strong kakhulu or Kaizer Chiefs nje may ngekho?
iPirates inama player high quality bafo kakhulu. Squad depth sePirates si quality kakhulu compared to seChiefs.
Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Siphethe uBudkosi unjani?
Yaphela kunjani but?
Siyaphila igame namhlanje ibone kanjani?
Tactically we were out as Kamakhosi. Ngiyabona tactically from the beginning we approached that game very bad. Yeah, we never even have 5 touches, my brother. So, but I accept the defeat. Yeah, I was beaten by Pirates fairly so. Yeah, so 3-0, I accept it. Yeah, it's not even a lucky. I was beaten hard.